Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get dragon fruit fast and easy in Blox Fruits. So the first way that you can do to get the dragon fruit is by going to the cousin dealer. So it usually give a random fruit every 2 hours and you got 0.15% of getting a dragon. And the second one is by doing the trading. It has low chance because players or many players are overpricing the dragon fruit. And the next way is that you can purchase from the pirate dealer. So the stock refreshes every 4 hours with 0.15 percent chance of dragon being on stock. And you need to buy it for 15 million cash if it's in stock. And the next way is that you can purchase it in the Mirage stocks. It get higher chance, and you can last one you can purchase with Robux. You can just go to the shop and you can buy it for 5,000 Robux. So that's how you can get dragon fruit in Blox Fruits. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.